Orere bara ya kuhukia ngukumio bururi-ini thiete na mbere kunyitithio thinga. Anyitite mihonge-ini itiganite na iria thukiirwo kibarua gia kuhukia ngukumio ino ni mathiite na mbere guthugunda njira makiria cia kuhura njeki mihang'o ino. Waisha ikuhi ari kwamurwo kwa wakiri kuuma ngeretha Khawar Quereshi guuka gutongoria ciira wa ngukumio ino uria ugumiire munini wa jaji munene Philomena Mwilu. Undu uyu kuringana na DPP Noordin Hajji ari igeri-ini ria gutigirira ciira uyu ni watabanio na uigiririku munene. Undu umwe na guthaitira ndũgamano iria ingiyumiria gatagati ka wabici yake na magoti.
He's not coming here to handle corruption cases, all of them. He's coming for a particular case, and that is the case of the DCJ, the Deputy Chief Justice, which is a case of great public importance, as you will all agree.
Kuringana na Hajji na uria no memba wa kamiti ya hamwe ya kuhurana na ngukumio bururi-ini, munini wake Dolkasodur no arendekithitio gutongoria ciira uyu no indi agikuruhanio na kwenderera mwena umwe no itua ria Khawar Quereshi. Quereshi na kuri uguo kurutithania wira na mawakiri angi atatu a guku bururi-ini na aria mamurirwo muthi.
So I'm a bit concerned when I see what seems to be going back in time, when we are now going back to England for them to help us come prosecute here. And I also wonder, would whoever you are bringing be able to handle this terrain? Would they be able and up to speed to be able to carry those prosecutions?
A lot of the senior counsels either appeared or were not comfortable handling the DCJ case. And it's not only them, I think also the DPP eventually, because it's a very sensitive matter. And in my opinion, I felt that we needed an independent person who could be able to address the issues that are before the High Court.
Gikundi kia acirithania atano ni gitanyitwo kwambiriria guthikiriria ihoya ria Mwilu muthenya wa ruciu, akiregana na ciira uyu guthikiririo ta wa wikinae na guthikiririo ta wa mahitia ma kwenda guthukia utonga wa bururi. Quereshi uria wamuritwo gutongoria mwena wa thitango ciira-ini uyu amuritwo kuma gikundi-ini kia mawakiri ya gikiro kia iguru mabururi-ini ma Commonwealth na kiria kioikaine ta Queen's Council.
So if you give the prosecutor a weapon, you weaponize the prosecution to attain political ends, then we're going back to the old days where your office was being used for very bad purposes.
The issue of the witch hunt, maybe it's something that we can discuss as stakeholders and agree how do we safeguard against that. However, the impact that it has had on us.
Ihinda-inĩ riu kamiti ino ya Senate ni gwetete kwaga kwa watho mukinyaniru ta muhinga munene hari bara ino ya ungumania, kuria riu kibarua gia kwendekithia mugaruruku watho-ini gitigiirwo timu ino ya kuhurana na ngukumio bururi-ini. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Mwaura wa Gunya.